Triangle ABC is shown below. Using a compass and straight edge on the line below, construct and label triangle KLM such that triangle KLM is congruent to triangle ABC. Triangle KLM must be congruent to triangle ABC. It means that segment KL must be congruent to AB, segment LM must be congruent to BC, and segment KM must be congruent to AC, to segment AC. First, we will place point K on our given line. Let's put that here is our point K. Next, we will take compass. We will measure segment AB, and now we will place our compass in point K and measure the same width which we got from this will be segment KL. Segment KL must be congruent to AB segment. So here, when our arc cross our line, we will have point L. Next, we will place compass at point B and measure segment ABC. Now, with the same width, we place in point L our compass and we will make arc with the same width. This will be our LM segment when the two segments cross. So next we have to take the measure of segment AC, and from point K we will mark the arc. In the place when these two arcs cross, we will have point M. So now we will use ruler and we connect point L with M. This will be our segment LM. And now we will connect KM points. And we have triangle KLM. These two triangles are congruent. This is my solution.